So Amy, tell me what you want me to do, 'cause I can't get you out of my mind.
So I'm going to start out with stretch, and then I'm going to try and get the pistol squat down. So stretch out my legs, and then I'm going to go for it. I'm getting closer, but not quite conquered yet. So I'm gonna get my leg and glute workout in, and then after I do that, I'm gonna try it one more time, and we'll see if I got it.
Spark is all I need to keep all the earth below. Dig down and lie beneath the snow to carry on, to carry on, to carry on. Keep me just hanging on, keep me hanging on, keep me hanging on, keep me hanging on, keep me hanging on, keep me.
Looks like I need to work on my pistol squats, but I'm closer. I will get them, and I will conquer them.